Imagine staring at a blank page, worried that artificial intelligence might swoop in to replace your creativity. In reality, it's a powerful ally that supercharges your writing. In this quick teaser, we'll tackle the biggest myths about AI in fiction, from fears that it replaces writers, to assumptions that it's too technical, to the idea that using AI is somehow cheating. First, let's debunk the myth that AI takes over your role as a writer. Think of it more like a brainstorming buddy, a resource that generates ideas or suggests unique twists. You remain the storyteller, fine tuning the plot, voice, and themes. Next, here's the concern that AI is too complicated. In truth, most AI writing platforms work like user friendly apps. You might paste in what's called an API key, but don't let the jargon fool you. It's just a secured way to access the tool, similar to typing in a password. Then there's the notion that relying on AI is somehow cheating or taking shortcuts. But using AI is like having the ultimate research assistant or a robust thesaurus. You still call the shots. Instead of staring at a blinking cursor, you can jumpstart your writing process with structured outlines, vivid setting descriptions, or character backstories. The crucial part is you shape and polish the text. Ensure it reflects your style and creative vision. Finally, imagine combining your creative spark with the AI's rapid fire idea generation. You might guide it to suggest a backstory for a mysterious detective, and then add your personal flair to make the character truly unique. AI provides a rough draft or a springboard for inspiration. Your originality and storytelling craft make it shine. Ready to learn more about how AI can elevate rather than replace your writing? Join our AI assisted fiction course, where you'll discover how to collaborate with technology, beat writer's block, and craft stories that are unmistakably your own. I'm Lynn Jordan, and I'm the director of the Future Fiction Academy's Author Accelerator program, and I hope to see you in class.